Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today, as you can see, we have a little bit of a different setup here. I am here in front of my clothing rack because today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take a basic outfit like the one I am wearing now and elevate it, make it a little bougie, a little sophisticated, and just overall give you a more elevated look. Before we jump in, I quickly want to say hello and welcome to all of the new subscribers that have been joining this channel. I am so happy you guys are here. I truly can't tell you how much it means to me when I log in and see more subscribers have joined this channel. It makes me so happy. So thank you to any of you who have taken a second to subscribe. It means the world, and if you have not already, be sure to do that. With that being said, let's jump into elevating this basic ass outfit. I want to walk you guys through the process that I go through to put myself together. There are different steps to it and they build on top of one another. And so I'm going to take it step by step. But of course, first I have to show you our baseline. We have to have something to compare all of these to. And so here you can see me, no makeup on, white halter neck tank top, plain mom jeans and sneakers, hair up. I'm sure this outfit looks familiar to a lot of you. This is something I feel like I see a lot of us just gravitating towards because it's easy, it takes zero thought, and you literally have to put zero effort in. But I'm gonna show you how easy it is to elevate this look. And so the first thing I would do if I were wanting to look a little more put together. Maybe I'm doing a cute day of errand shopping or something and I just want to feel a little bit better about myself. I would start by doing a little bit of makeup and doing something with my hair. I know for me personally, taking 5-10 minutes in the morning to just put on a little bit of makeup really does change my mood for the day. And even if it is a basic outfit like the one I'm wearing here, just putting on a hint of makeup makes me feel so much better, and it's that confidence that ends up pulling your look together. And so for me, I have a 5-minute face routine that I'll do. That's the extent of the effort I'm gonna put into my makeup for today and for this video and for most days when I am putting outfits together. This is about it. Anymore, the only times I really do my makeup, like really go in, lashes, cut creases, the whole 9 yards, are if I have any events I'm going to or any important gatherings or whatever. 5-minute face, that's it. And then I have one hairstyle I gravitate towards if I want to look elevated, and that is just simple curls. I think they are timeless, they're effortless. We'll just let it fall and bounce, and it gives it this kind of beachy feel to it. And so that's it. And you can see here how much of a difference just a quick 5 minutes on the face, 5 minutes on hair really makes when it comes to the whole overall look of the outfit. And again, I think it more so has to do with the confidence that you feel, and you carry yourself differently when you know you look good. That's the first foundational phase. Quick, easy, it'll help you look more bougie for sure. Now, if you want to go another step on top of that, I recommend incorporating accessories. So it depends on your mood, your aesthetic, but accessories are a great way to elevate any look. So with this first look here, I went for like a kind of more girly feel. I have a bunch of crystals and just a really chic classic look, but it's really pretty. It's very dainty and feminine, and it just gives it a whole vibe. And that's exactly what we're going for, right? We want to feel a vibe with our outfit. And so you can go that route. I also did a more grungy look. This is what I more so gravitate towards in my personal style and what I typically wear on a day-to-day, but you can really have fun, make it your own with accessories. I'm talking shoes, bags, jewelry, sunglasses, whatever you want, you know, more is more. So you can't go wrong with accessories. They can take your look from a 2 to a 10 really quickly. And if you want to take it another step further and just really bring the look home, I suggest adding in more clothing pieces, layers, dimensions, depth. That is what takes a basic outfit like this and makes it look expensive, makes it look bougie, put together like you had thought that was going into it. Layers are especially great for this weird transitional season we're in right now. If you're in an area that has seasons, you can take things off. You can take your jacket off if it's getting too hot, or you can add it back on at night when it gets cooler. So definitely work with layers if you haven't yet in the past. And just really have fun with your layers, guys. They don't have to make sense. A lot of high fashion houses and a lot of fashion stylists and whatever, you see the outfits they're putting together. They don't make sense. It's almost like the crazier the pieces you're putting together, the better it works. So you really can't go wrong. Here are obviously a couple outfits that I put together. You know, like I said, layering is so big, and jackets, sheer elements, you know, whatever it is, blazers, you really have fun with this. This is where you get to make your outfit your own. And then if you put everything together, so we have our hair, our makeup, our accessories, shoes, and then our layers too, you have a killer outfit on your hands. This is a great way to fake having fashion sense or having a sense of what your personal style is. And this is also a great way to develop your personal style if you are still experimenting with it or getting used to what your unique taste is. You know, experiment. That's the only way you're gonna learn. This is how you take a basic ass outfit like the one that I am wearing here, or the one that I was wearing at the beginning of the video, and you take it and you elevate it and you make it your own. And that is fashion, you guys. It's really fun. I hope you start to experiment a little more with fashion this spring. I hope maybe this gave you some inspiration. I know that it's sometimes hard for me to pull inspiration for myself too, but if you're feeling uninspired or unmotivated, start at the foundational level. Just put on some makeup, do something with your hair. Maybe you're more creative with your hair than I am. I hope so. Do something with it and you're gonna slay. It's gonna look really good. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please leave them below for me. If you're interested, I highly encourage you to subscribe to my channel. I post a lot of fashion related videos as well as mindset, personal development, and manifestation too. So if you're into that, definitely take a moment to subscribe. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Tell me what your favorite element was of this video. And with that, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Next video is a clean with me video.